and there's another box on the side. So it's a good place. It's a good place to go shopping. Okay, if you love at home, poetry, or even Woolies glassware and barware, but your wallet is like, and my sister, we are not there yet sometimes. Or if, like me, you just appreciate getting real value for your money, then this plug is just for you. Come with us to Transnatal Cut Glass Factory in Krugersdorp, the hidden gem where all the trendy glassware, decorative art pieces, and stylish centerpieces you see in those premium stores are made. I'm talking about the items that you see in your celebrity houses and in your influencer houses. But in this store, they are sold at a fraction of the price. Better do not touch. My husband is touching. Transnatal specializes in manufacturing and distributing decorative glassware, cut glass, and elegant gifts. And let me tell you, the range, chef's kiss. You will get everything you want here, but they do rotate their items. We are talking statement pieces for your media walls, hallway accents that catch the eye, centerpieces that wow, and even decor perfect for big events and weddings, all for 30 to 80% less than what you would usually pay. They even have cute gift-like pieces that you can gift to someone on their special day. And if it's not just about the looks, they've got plates, mugs, and everyday kitchenware that feels luxurious without the luxury markup. So, whether you are revamping your space or preparing for an event, or just want to gift someone with a nice glass piece, this place, it is the real MVP. Details are in the description. Go check them out and thank me later. If you're lucky, you will get your off-season items at a fraction of the price, guys. If you like recycling or reusing some type of glassware, when something is slightly chipped or slightly broken and you know how to redo, your DIY girlies, I think this is your shop. They sell things at as low as £5, guys. Hi guys, we are from Transnatal and I just thought I would make a mini haul for the few items that we've got there. Okay guys, it's a whole box. And there's another box on the side. So it's a good place. It's a good place to go shopping. Let me just show you what we got. I think we spent just over 2,000 rand and we went there to just get glasses, but if there's a good deal somewhere, even as thriving frugals, we do buy unbudgeted stuff. But to be fair, most of the things that we bought were to do our centerpiece. We have been thinking about something different. Right now there is a pot plant, which when we have a full table, we realize that we find it hard to talk with each other because there is a whole thing in between us. So we wanted something different for the centerpiece. But before I ramble, let me just show you what we got. We got this, what is it called? I know what it does, but I've never gotten its name. It's a marble material, and I don't know what it's called. What do we call this thing, guys? But it's there to grind your spices. Should we call it a spice grinder? But yeah, that's the first thing we got. My husband likes cooking steak and trying out different flavors and spices, and will be a good addition to his kitchen creation. There's another box that was on the side. We wanted glasses. We keep breaking glasses, guys, in this house. We keep breaking glasses in this house. Sorry for that noise. So we went there to get glasses basically, and plates, but we didn't get plates this time around, so we'll go look in a different shop. Ooh. But if you can see, this the wine glasses that we got 6 of this. They've got a nice thin stem and nicely shaped. If you look at them from a distance, you realize it has like a ribbed effect. I saw this where Fashionable and Trendy, they buy at home and for poetries. And yeah, I think I like it. And one thing about them, so anything that, ooh, it's so dark. Am I there? Okay. When I focus, the light is bouncy, so I hope it will be fine. Let me just put this here so that you see it. So if you want to save a little bit from your normal shops and you've got a little bit of petrol, do try them out. This here on the side. Okay, the next thing we got is this cute kettle. Oh my god, it's so adorable. It's like bluish and gold. My husband likes tea, guys. He likes coffee, he likes tea. So I think this will be a good addition to his tea collection. It has a soft thing inside. So for instance, I like ginger tea as well, so you can put your ginger in there, and then you have a nice cup of tea. They come in different colors. There was a black one, they have this blue, like a darker blue, a red. So we liked this one. We thought it was cute. It will be a nice contrast to whatever platform that we'll put it at. So yeah, that's it. So we also bought this. This will be part of our centerpiece. After putting it together, please let me know if you like it. I'll show you the before, which is just a pot plant that we got from a friend. But we had been thinking about zhuzhing it up a bit. So this is it. It's mostly black, and then it has like a gold trim up here. But I'll show you more details of it. My kid instinct is to pop this thing. Then next in line, oh yeah, so it is this art piece here. Let me show you closer. It's like an African woman sitting, and then it also has like a mirror-like detail. It was one of the pieces that we thought we will put on the table, but we ended up with something else. But I really liked it, so maybe we'll alternate between it, or I'll find a different place for it. But this is it. And then there was this cutie, very similar. Let me unwrap it. there is this cutie pie here. It has like a natural element to it. That one has pieces of tiles and mirror. This one feels a little like a plank, but I thought it would be cute somewhere. This is not for the dining table. I'm still asking for a budget approval to do a little addition in our bedroom for a dressing table, and I think this would be a nice cute thing to add there. And then we have this dog. So this will be part of the art piece on the table. We have a little Yogi, so we thought let's represent him as well. And there were so many of those things, guys. One of them I was really tempted to buy. I really loved that. And yeah, we just were struggling. We're like, where would we put that? Because right now we have a crawling and standing lower baby that pulls everything. And then we have this piece right here. I don't remember exactly how much each of these are, but I'll tell you that it's not more than 200 rand a piece, I think. If it's more than 200, it's 250 rand. So overall, I did say that we spent like 2,000, just over 2,000 rand. Then we have this piece over here. This will form part of what is going to the table, and we'll put it together, and then you will see. My husband is just coming in from buying us a quick bite. And then we have this mirror piece right here. The reflection is a little piano toy that belongs to my baby. But here it is. It's a mirror. And then we just wanted like a flat surface to put there, but once everything is together I will show you. I'll just put it there because it won't disturb anything. And then what we went there for, we wanted two types of glasses, just basic glasses. We keep breaking glasses in this house, so we got two types. This type here, I'm not sure if it's visible. Oh, let focus. Yes, there we go. And then, okay, all these are the same types. We got 6 of this. And then at the bottom here, we've got the longer version of it. So just in case you want something that you don't want to repeat a pour, I think this will be nice for water and whatever. And yeah, this is our mini haul, and now we are going to set up our centerpiece, and then we'll show you how it all looks put together. Alright guys, bye for now. Let me know in the comment section if you are team A or B.